Hi, it's Scott from National Cycle checking in with you. Today we're working on this really cool Royal Enfield INT650. We'll be installing our new heavy duty mounting kits to install these new heavy duty windshields. Included in the kit is a left and right mounting bracket, inner bolt plate, series of bolts and nuts, and 4 rubber gaskets. To complete this installation, you're going to need a number 4 Allen wrench and a 10mm box wrench. We went ahead and installed the rubber gaskets on the inner and outer brackets. We first want to really identify the left and right side bracket. We'll be working on the rider's right side. This way to see the National Cycle logo. This is going to go on the outboard section of the bike. This curve is going to be down and forward. So to install this bracket, put on a fork tube and slide it around behind the cables. Take your inner bracket, interlock these teeth with the other bracket. Center it back up. Attach the applied nut and bolts. At this point, do not fully tighten the bracket. You want to have it loose for final adjustments. Now repeat the process on the left-hand side. When fully installed, the left and right brackets should look like this. Now we're actually going to go ahead and install the windshield onto the brackets. We're actually installing our N2220 Custom Heavy Duty Windshield on this bike. For this process, if you have an extra set of hands, it does make the process a lot easier. You want to start by taking the bolt plate, which actually are going to have nuts pre-welded on there. The windshield is going to go on the inboard side of the fork bracket. Slide into place. Slide the nut bolt plate behind the windshield, and then install the bolts. Make sure you position everything so everything's square on the left and right, and you're not rubbing into anything. And then tighten down with your 4mm Allen wrench. Once you're satisfied with the position and the angle of the windshield, go ahead and fully tighten down all the rest of the hardware. Now you're ready to make any final adjustments to the position and the angle of the windshield. If you need to adjust this window here, just loosen this bolt and this bolt here, slide that window into place where you would like it, and then retighten the bolts. Now you're all set, ready to go. The average rider with basic hand tools can install this system in about 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your ride.